video.
Yeah, it's my web camera. It's cool. It does this.
So I'm on the internet right now. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Not right now.
You're making a porn of me. Yeah, you like this action? Worldwide interweb. That's the one with the email, right? The internet. That's the one with the email, right?
Shut the fuck up.
Everyone's so tall.
All right, yeah. Woohoo. So here we are on a Thursday show. Sound check. We're going to do hair and Fred Mills. Does anybody have additional requests? I will opt for with full group.
Say, send these peace mix to the Vietnam meat grinder.
Send these peace nicks to the Vietnam meat grinder.
I love the way you go Vietnam. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah, and I hope you don't change that. Because you do that and I go, did she just say Vietnam?